Hi, I'm Cameron Burke. I'm the project management leader here at Levanta. I've been here for 8 years now. So when I first started at Levanta, I came on as a junior draftsman. I did that for about 12 months and then moved into junior project manager, which I did for another 12 months. And then I lost the junior title and did project management for approximately 6 years. And now I've moved up into the project management leader role. So over the years, there's definitely been plenty of room for growth. Levanta's been very encouraging with additional education as well, and they'll support you through that, but yet very happy where I am at the moment. The culture at Levanta is great. It's one of the main reasons I like coming into the office and not working from home. I love interacting with everyone here. Everyone has very similar values as well. We're all trying to achieve the same goal.